video, we are going to learn how to make an ice cream on blender. So let's start. First, we'll select these and delete. Press Shift A in cone to 0.75, 0.75, and this should be rotated at 180 degree. Press Ctrl C and V. Move this second one a bit up. Press Shift and select this also. Take this out. Go to edit mode, bool tool and difference. You can see this. Press Shift A, UV sphere 0.5, 0.5, and this should also be 0.5. Set this. Press Ctrl C and V. Set this also. Press Ctrl C and V. Press Ctrl C and V again. Move this here. Now we are going to color it. To color it, first this should be this color. This is chocolate flavor, so we'll make it black. This is vanilla, this will remain white, and this is strawberry, this will be pink, and if you like mango, you can make this one mango. So like this one will be mango. Press Shift A, in mesh, choose cone 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. This is a bit big, so we will make it 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. These are chocolate sprinkles. First make this black because this is chocolate flavor, and we have made this. So this is ice cream. I hope you like this recipe now, and this chocolate also. I hope you like my video. Now we'll meet in next video. Bye.